Dominoes 7 at the Golden Corral, trying to be cool here with my lovely family. All right. We've been here before. They go Santana, the big crybaby. All right. Sorry to say that though. All right, the family and everything. Yep. Well, you know what, y'all? I mean, this a good belated birthday dinner. Or should I say, belated birthday eat out. A little upset. Ain't great. Good that things got a little crunk and stuff. Yeah, a couple of days, maybe I'll lose my temper or anything else. Yeah, let people know Domino 7 ain't the one they playing with. You know, because that Domino ain't the one they playing with. So, things gonna probably get us. I don't know. We'll have to see. All right. Yeah. So the family. Yeah. All right. Yeah, things will get crunk. Yep. All right. I don't know who gonna watch this though. You know, saying what I'm saying though. So some people can tell when I'm upset. Some people can't tell when I'm upset. But it takes an Einstein to know that Domino is upset. You know. Yep. Everything's a little crunk, I guess. Oh, what's the matter, Nitro? Oh, you're a little full. All right. Yeah. All right. Yep. So, yeah. Well, upset though. All right. Well, I'm on live. Well, welcome back to the Domino 7 show. You know? Yeah. Got a few people here. So, you enjoy yourself too, huh? Huh, Riley?
Yeah, I'm living. I'm thriving.
Yeah, that's solid. That's what I like to hear, you know? Yeah, so